Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Johnsburg, local and long distance movers near me. A complete moving company offering all the options you need. Will provide packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Our team of movers will help you give you the experience you desire for relocating across the country or just one state over. It's a big ordeal to move more than just 100 miles away. We offer you the right team and the right plan to make moving days simple. Choosing to hire an Illinois moving company means you get the help you need. It's a short distance, but a big job to undertake. With professional movers ready to help you, the job becomes more manageable. 3 Movers makes your moving experience so much easier. We take the hard work out of moving with all the right services. Whether you're looking for packing services or just basic moving services, we can help you get the help you need and move that you desire. If it would take you all week to pack up a move, we can do it in just one day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Johnsburg moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.